Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today I'll be showing you our fanless stainless steel industrial panel PC that has 1000 nit high brightness options, wide range temperature options, and has an Intel quad-core CPU. It's the PCS6800. Let's take a look. Okay, now I'm going to unbox one of the PCS6800s, and this is the 15-inch model. This is the PCS6815 APHEB. When you first open the box, you will see the warranty. And underneath that is the PCS6815 APHEB, and it's encased in foam and then also wrapped in anti-static plastic. Also in the box, there are accessories in a Ziploc bag and in bubble wrap. In the Ziploc bag, there is a DC power connector, which also has some mounting brackets and screws, and the quantity of those depends on the size of your screen. Also in the Ziploc bag, there's a DC power adapter with cord. This is for your 9 to 36 volt DC power supply. And then lastly, in a smaller Ziploc bag, there is a 2-pin remote power switch connector. Now I'm going to remove the PC from the box. Next, I'm going to remove the PC from the foam and the anti-static plastic. Here's the PCS6815 APHEB. The PCS6800s come in 7 different models in 4 different sizes: a 21.5 inch, a 15 inch, 12 inch, and a 10 inch, and they all have multiple memory and storage options available. There's 1000 nit high brightness options, which are sunlight readable, and if you get the high brightness, you also get an extended operating temperature of -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, or -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And they are all optically bonded and have capacitive touchscreens. They have a 304 stainless steel front bezel and aluminum chassis. They are IP66 and IP69K rated for high pressure and high temperature washdown environments. They have an Intel Celeron N2930 quad-core CPU. They are VESA or panel mount, and there are optional Wi-Fi upgrades available. On the back of the PC, there are 4 screw holes. These are 4 VESA 100 by 100 millimeter mounting screw holes. And then right here is a power connector for your 9 to 36 volt DC power supply. On the bottom of the PC, there's also some I/O. So starting on the left, there is an audio line out. Next to that is a remote power switch connector. Then there are 2 USB 3.0 host ports, then 2 RJ45 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports, and then there are 2 DE9 serial COM ports. COM 1 is RS232, RS422, and RS485. And then COM 2 is RS232. Here is an example of the back of the unit. It will look like this when you receive it. So on the back, there will be a part number sticker, barcode, and serial number. When you buy your PC, you will have this sticker and the build number, and you will need the part number and build number when reordering your panel PC. Also, you will have the option of purchasing an embedded or non-embedded Windows license. So in this image, this unit has an embedded Windows license, meaning the product key is embedded and activated for you at our facility before it leaves Maple Systems. So it is plug and play. And you also can purchase the non-embedded version, meaning the Windows license is not activated. So in this image, you can see where we place the activation sticker or product key on the back of the PC, and you just need to scratch off the code and complete the activation yourself. And I will share a link at the end of this video to another video showing you how to activate a Windows license. You also have the option of getting this panel PC with Linux preloaded instead of Windows. Now I'm going to power on the PC, so I have a power supply going into the PC. So I'm going to turn my power supply, and it's going to boot up the PC. See the Windows logo in the user welcome screen, and there it is. Now you might be wondering, what are my next steps? Well, that's going to be picking out a SCADA or third-party programming software like Aviva Edge, and you can see more information about this on the Maple Systems website, or others like Factory Talk or Ignition, which our PCs also support. Well, that's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial panel PC line, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.